How to activate the hidden trackpad on your iPhone. Easy tips and tricks.
Are you tired of the limitations of using your finger to navigate and select text on your iPhone? Today, I'm going to show you a hidden trackpad feature that will change the way you use your iPhone forever. And the best part is this feature is completely free and has been available since the release of iOS 14. This hidden trackpad feature is only accessible to those who know the trick, which I'll reveal in just a moment. But first, I want to point out that there are two ways to enable this feature. One is through the accessibility settings, and the other is through the quick and easy method that I prefer. So if you're interested in learning both methods, stay tuned. All right, so let me show you how to enable this hidden trackpad feature. There are two ways to do it. The first way is by going into Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility, tap on Accessibility, scroll down to Touch, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and ULLC trackpad there. You can toggle this on, and now when you press and hold any key on the keyboard, it will disappear and you will have this little trackpad that you can move around and select text with. However, there is a faster and easier way to enable this feature. While this method may be slightly easier to access, it's important to note that it only works within the bounds of the keyboard and does not offer the same level of precision as the accessibility feature. That being said, here's how it works. If you have an iPhone with a Touch ID and number 3D Touch, you will press and hold the spacebar. If you have a 3D Touch-enabled iPhone, you will press and hold anywhere on the keyboard except the spacebar. Then you will get this little trackpad that you can move around and select text. It's not perfect, but it works. And once you're done, just tap on the screen and it will go away. I also want to mention that you can use this trackpad to move around the cursor and select text in Messages, Notes, and other apps as well. Now, once you enable the trackpad, you may notice that it's a bit difficult to move the cursor around precisely. However, there's a solution for that as well. All you have to do is tap on the screen with 2 fingers, and it will bring up this magnifying glass. With this, you can zoom in and move around the cursor to select text with much more precision. And when you're done, just tap on the screen with 2 fingers again and it will go away. So there you have it. Okay? In just a few simple steps, you've unlocked the hidden trackpad feature on your iPhone. Make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and stay tuned for more awesome iPhone videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.